Hello guys. Are you guys experienced Hello guys. Are you guys experiencing this kind of things in your chat while you have like a background that is dark? Yeah, well, I can fix that very quickly. So the first step you need to do is go to your streaming tools and then my overlay. Choose the overlay that you're using. For me is this one. And then add your stream chat. If you haven't added yet, here's how you add it. Then place it whatever you want to place it. Yeah, I think that's good. And I will make it custom so it will be transparent. I don't like my chat to be permanent. Well, it really depends. But yeah, for me, the fade will the chat will disappear 20 seconds, the messages, and zero delay will be fine. Don't forget to save it. And the important part is this text settings. Yeah, so we can see our chat even in the dark. Okay, for me it's Verdana, and I will change it to color white because it's easy on the eyes to see. Enable custom font. This is very optional, okay? This is very optional, but I like it to turn on this, and then this is the important part too. Okay, you have to turn on the secondary text shadow. I think white will be perfect for this secondary text shadow. It will be easy to see. So yeah, well, let's test it. I will type hello. Yeah, there you go. And the Nightbot replied to me. Nice. Well, that's it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Um, Thanks for the sub too. Thanks for watching. As always, stay safe. Goodbye.